Tonight we're hitting the streets with deputies who are on a mission to save lives. They're part of the Crisis Intervention Response Team. And for some, the job is very personal. Here's Devon Rami.
Going beyond the call of duty in many cases goes unnoticed. But for deputies like Esteban Hernandez,
I lost two of close cousins that I was really close to, and to suicide back in 2014.
Answering the call to protect and serve has led him down a personal but unique path to public safety the last 2 years with the Harris County Sheriff's Office.
It's a constant flow of mental health calls or calls that have a mental health component to it.
He's one of several deputies working alongside a licensed clinician catering to the needs of those facing a mental health crisis.
Sometimes individuals don't want to speak to law enforcement. They don't feel comfortable on sharing that information. They would rather talk to a licensed clinician on scene.
And in some cases,
there are calls that the outcome is a completed suicide.
Fielding roughly 10 crisis calls a day.
Going to be in reference to an adult female who possibly took some sleeping medication.
The goal for Deputy Hernandez and licensed clinician Toshiba KHOU is to intervene before it's too late.
And that we will conduct an assessment, like a mental health assessment, just to see if we can provide resources to assist with the crisis itself, try to alleviate that crisis, make sure that they're safe to remain in their home.
We're here for you to make sure that you're okay. We're here to help you. Any further assistance, that's what we're here to do.
She definitely threatened to commit suicide, and so we're concerned whether or not she'll follow through with it.
It's calls like these into 988, which the Harris Center for Mental Health says are up 90% compared to a year ago.
Our communities are changing, growing the needs. There's a number of stressors that exist, with families that may not have existed at least prior to COVID.
Pushing these deputies to go the extra mile to protect and serve.
Because we want you to be able to know that these supports are in place to hopefully alleviate that crisis from occurring.
In Harris County, Devon Rami, KHOU 11 News.
Such important work they are doing. There is always someone available to listen. Counselors are standing by 24/7 through the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. There's the number. All you have to do is call 988.